If you have a Windows computer and you don't have an editing software right now, today is your lucky day. Now, this method is absolutely free. You don't need to go to the internet. You don't have to install any additional software. The software is automatically installed in your Windows computer already. Let's get into this. Go to your search bar and search for photos. Believe it or not, that's what it's called. It's called Photos. Once you start typing it, that's going to be the first thing you see. Just go ahead and click on it, and voila. And here is your video editing software, your completely free video editing software. All right, so I know it's kind of a surprise because you're like, why is it called Photos? It is a photo editor, but video editing software is included in it. You could also go to your search bar and type video editor, and the same software will appear. See? All right, so let me exit out and let's go to the original name, which is called Photos. Click on Photos. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to the right side and click on New Video. It's going to give you these two options. The first option is New Video Project. The second one is Automatic Video. And the third one is Import Backup. So we're going to go over the first two because the last one is kind of self-explanatory. For the New Video Project, basically when you click on that, it's going to give you a blank storyboard. You have to start from scratch. You have to import the video and you have to kind of do everything. All right, and I will show you how that looks. And the second option is called Automatic Video. Automatic Video, the video editing software will kind of like randomly select like clips from your main video and kind of like create a video out of it. So the first thing we're going to choose is go to New Video Project. All you have to do is give your video a title. Yeah, you could give it whatever title that you want, but I'm going to name it Portfolio. So let me do a little overview to what everything is. On your left side, the first button is add, right? Basically, it's just adding your clip. On the top, you have undo. Like as you can see right now, I can't really click on any of them because I didn't add a video yet. But once I add a video, everything is gonna start being clickable. Now let's add a video. I'm just gonna select like 2 videos. These are like videos that I've already edited in the past. They're like promo videos. If you leave the videos there, of course, it's not going to show up on the screen. I would suggest you to do it one by one. All you have to do, select the video that you want and just drag it in the bottom of the storyboard. As soon as I drag my video into the storyboard, all of the options become clickable. All of these options in the bottom right side where the storyboard is, you're going to spend 95% of your time on those options. So let me go over what each one of those options are. First, you have your add title card, meaning that's just adding the title by itself, not adding the title in the video, but adding the title on its own. Second, you have trim. Trim is just selecting a part of the clip that you want to add to your main video. Trim is my favorite one. I spend 80% of the time using trim. So trim is very important. And then you have split. Split just means you just cutting the video in half. And then you have text. Text means you're adding the text in the video. You have motion. It just means that you're kind of moving the clip around a little bit. It's kind of like a little effect. And then you have 3D effects where you could create fire effects. And then you have filter. Filter just means color grading your video. And then you have speed. You know, speed is really good also now. It's really important because that's how you could slow down your video. Okay, so now I'm going to add my second clip.
For college students, work doesn't end with graduation. When you're setting out your career, you're setting one of the most.
Okay, so now the first thing I'm going to do, like I said, the option trim, that's the recommended thing that I use the most because I'm doing editing. I want to cut some parts out. I'm going to select the clip that I want to edit and I'm going to click on trim. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the second clip. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on trim. It's a little bit shorter because I kind of selected the clips that I want to show up in the main video. Now we're just going to add more clips in the storyboard and we're going to just keep cutting it. If you watch the video carefully, you could kind of see how the sound go back and forth from each other. I don't want that. When you're editing your video, you want to have one sound or one music that plays throughout the whole video, because since they're like three different clips, every clip have a different sound or have a different music. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mute all of the sound in each of the clip. So to mute the sound or to put the sound down, just select the clip and go to the right side. The volume icon is going to show up, and then all you have to do is put down the volume, okay? Because I want to add my own music to the main video. If I play it, you're not going to hear anything. All right, you have two options if you want to add your music. Either you could add licensed music from the software, or you could add your own music that you already have in your computer. Okay, but first we're going to add music from the software. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the right side on the top and you're going to click on background music. Just play the background music first and then you could select whichever one that you like. So once you select the song that you want, just press done, and then we're going to play it so you could see how it sounds. The other option we're going to choose, we're going to try to select our own music. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on custom audio, and then when you click on custom audio, you're going to click on add audio file. You could make the audio play throughout the whole video, or you could make the audio play to a certain part of the video. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it and make sure that it plays throughout the whole video. So let's play it. Alrighty, so yeah, that's basically it. So we added our music. Oh, one thing that I know is important, let's add a text. Let's add a title in the beginning. So to add a text, just select the clip that you want to add the text to and then click on text. If you guys are looking at this, I know this could look 10 times better, but I'm just showing you all how everything works. So I'm not taking my time to make it look good. So now let's just export the video. To export it, it's all on the top and the right side. Just click on finish video. The only option that you should choose is high 1080. Just click on export and then that's it. So let's go to the desktop to see if we see it. promo ad, and here's the video. I want to show you guys the second option. So we're gonna go back to the software. We're going to type photos. We're gonna click on new video. Instead of selecting new video project, let's try out the automatic video. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna select a couple of videos that's already in my computer. Okay, these are like videos from my brother dancing during prom. What automatic video did, it just kind of like randomly selected different clips from the video that we chose. We're going to click on edit video because sometimes you're gonna want to rearrange the clips. When we click on edit video, they kind of already created our storyboard. I'm gonna look at it and kind of rearrange everything. So let me put all of the volume down. I'm gonna let the background music play. The first thing that I want to do, I want to add the title in the beginning. To add the title in the beginning, like I said, we're gonna select the clip to click on text. I want to add a different music to the main video. Use this. So let's play it to see how it sounds. A matter of fact, I'm gonna choose my own song. Let's click on custom audio. Let's play it to see how it sounds now. Okay, sounds a little bit better. I want to make everything in slow motion. Another thing that I'm going to do, I'm gonna kind of trim all of the individual clips. I'm gonna select the parts that he's dancing. Let me just add a little effect just to see how it looks. We added our effects. We made everything slow motion. I trimmed all of the clips and selected the main clips that I wanted from the videos. So now let's see how everything looks. Okay, that's decent. You know, you guys have to take your time when you're editing a video, but I'm just trying to do this quickly. So once you're done, just go to the right side on the top and you're gonna click on finish video. And then voila. So I'm going to X out everything. When you guys are editing your video, you guys don't have to save it. It's all going to automatically be saved. So when you go back to your video project, all you have to do is select your previous file and it's gonna be there. But anyways, here's the main video. voila, there you go. I can't wait for you guys to start trying it out and edit your video and let me know how it went. Like this video so more people could see this video. All right, and subscribe. I have more video editing tips coming. So my name is Edgy and I'm out.